Did you know your gut is the second brain? When it comes to health, many of us focus on the obvious organs like the heart, lungs, or even the brain. But what if I told you that the real secret to your overall well-being is actually hidden deep in your gut? Surprising, right? The gut, often referred to as our second brain, has a profound impact on almost every aspect of our health, from our immune system to our mood and even our weight. For those over 40, the importance of gut health becomes even more crucial, as it directly affects your energy levels, mental clarity, and even your longevity. This hidden powerhouse, composed of trillions of bacteria, viruses, and fungi, plays a vital role in breaking down food, absorbing nutrients, and protecting us from harmful invaders. But the gut's influence doesn't stop there. It's a dynamic system that also communicates with our brain, affecting how we think, feel, and even how we age. As we age, this delicate balance in our gut can become disrupted, leading to various health issues that we might not immediately associate with gut health. So, how does this unseen part of your body hold the key to so much of your health? The connection between gut health and overall well-being is a topic that has gained significant attention in recent years, and understanding this connection is particularly important as you age. If you're over 40, it's time to take your gut health seriously, because maintaining a healthy gut can be the cornerstone to living a healthier, happier life. Let's dive deeper into why your gut health matters more than you think, and explore the incredible ways it influences your body, mind, and overall quality of life. Why should you care about gut health as you age? You might be wondering, why is gut health such a big deal, especially as you get older? Well, the truth is, as you age, the balance of your gut microbiome, those trillions of bacteria living inside your digestive tract, begins to shift. This shift is significant because your gut does more than just digest food. It's a central hub for absorbing nutrients, producing essential hormones, and regulating your immune system. But here's the kicker. When the balance of good and bad bacteria in your gut is thrown off, it can lead to a host of chronic issues that become more common with age. Think about it. Chronic fatigue, unexplained weight gain, joint pain, and even mood disorders like anxiety and depression can all be linked back to poor gut health. But it doesn't stop there. Gut health is intricately linked to conditions that are particularly concerning for those over 40, such as autoimmune diseases, type 2 diabetes, and heart disease. As you age, your gut lining can become more permeable, a condition often referred to as leaky gut. This allows toxins and bacteria to enter your bloodstream, triggering inflammation throughout your body. Chronic inflammation is a root cause of many age-related diseases. So, maintaining a balanced gut isn't just about avoiding digestive issues like bloating or constipation. It's about preserving your overall health and preventing these more serious conditions from taking hold. By understanding the pivotal role your gut plays, you can take proactive steps to protect it and, in turn, safeguard your health as you age. Can a healthy gut boost your immune system? Did you know that about 70% of your immune system resides in your gut? This might come as a surprise, but it's true. Your gut is a critical player in your body's defense system. Imagine your gut as a fortress, protecting your body from harmful invaders like viruses, bacteria, and toxins. The gut-associated lymphoid tissue, GALT, is a crucial component of this defense, working tirelessly to fend off these invaders. But here's the catch. This defense system is only as strong as your gut health. A healthy gut flora, teeming with beneficial bacteria, can effectively ward off pathogens and reduce inflammation. On the other hand, an imbalanced gut, often due to poor diet, stress, or excessive use of antibiotics, can weaken your immune defenses, making you more susceptible to infections, allergies, and even autoimmune diseases. For those over 40, this is particularly concerning because the immune system naturally begins to decline with age, a process known as immunosenescence. However, by maintaining a healthy gut, you can give your immune system the boost it needs to stay strong and resilient. Research has shown that a diet rich in fiber, fermented foods, and prebiotics can promote a healthy gut microbiome, which in turn enhances immune function. So when you think about your immune health, don't just consider the obvious, like getting enough sleep or taking vitamins. Remember that nurturing your gut is equally important. A strong gut immune connection can be your secret weapon in staying healthy and warding off illness as you age. Join our community and never miss out on new content. Subscribe today. How does gut health influence your mood and mental well-being? Have you ever experienced butterflies in your stomach? When you're nervous or felt a gut-wrenching reaction to bad news? These expressions highlight a little-known fact. Your gut and brain are in constant communication thanks to the gut-brain axis. This connection is so strong that your gut is often referred to as the second brain. But what does this mean for your mental well-being, especially as you age? For starters, the gut produces about 90% of the body's serotonin, a neurotransmitter that plays a key role in regulating mood, sleep, and appetite. This means that an unhealthy gut can directly impact your mental health, leading to issues like mood swings, anxiety, and even depression. In fact, studies have shown that individuals with poor gut health are more likely to experience mental health disorders. This connection becomes even more crucial for those over 40, as hormonal changes and the natural aging process can make you more vulnerable to mood disorders. But the good news is that by improving your gut health, you can also enhance your mental well-being. Consuming a diet rich in probiotics, such as yogurt, kefir, and fermented foods, can help maintain a healthy gut microbiome, which in turn supports mental clarity and emotional stability. Additionally, reducing stress and getting regular exercise are key to maintaining both gut health and mental health. So, if you're looking to boost your mood and improve your overall sense of well-being, start by taking care of your gut. It's a simple yet powerful way to enhance your quality of life as you age. Could poor gut health be the reason you're gaining weight? As you age, you may notice that maintaining a healthy weight becomes more challenging. But have you ever considered that your gut health might be a contributing factor? The gut microbiome plays a significant role in how your body processes food, absorbs nutrients, and stores fat. An imbalance in the gut flora can disrupt these processes, leading to weight gain and difficulty in shedding extra pounds. But how exactly does this happen? When the balance of bacteria in your gut is off, it can slow down your metabolism and increase your cravings for unhealthy foods, particularly those high in sugar and fat. These bad bacteria thrive on processed foods and sugar, creating a vicious cycle of poor eating habits and weight gain. For those over 40, this issue is compounded by the natural slowdown of metabolism. That comes with age, making it even more challenging to maintain a healthy weight. But that's not all. An unhealthy gut can also affect your hormones, including insulin and ghrelin, which regulate appetite and fat storage. This can lead to increased fat accumulation, particularly around the abdomen, which is a risk factor for serious health conditions like type 2 diabetes and heart disease. So, if you've been struggling to manage your weight, it might be time to focus on improving your gut health. Incorporating more fiber-rich foods, probiotics, and prebiotics into your diet can help restore the balance in your gut microbiome, aiding in weight management and overall health. Remember, a healthy gut is not just about avoiding digestive issues. It's also a key factor in maintaining a healthy weight and preventing obesity-related diseases as you age. What can you do to improve your gut health? Now that you understand the importance of gut health, the question is, what can you do to nurture it, especially as you age? The good news is that there are many practical steps you can take to improve your gut health, and in turn, your overall well-being. First, focus on your diet. Incorporating more fiber-rich foods, such as fruits, vegetables, and whole grains, can promote a healthy gut by feeding the good bacteria in your digestive tract. Fermented foods like yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, and kimchi are also excellent for gut health, as they introduce beneficial probiotics into your system. Additionally, prebiotic-rich foods such as garlic, onions, and bananas can further support the growth of these good bacteria. But diet isn't the only factor. Lifestyle changes also play a crucial role. Regular physical activity has been shown to promote a healthy gut microbiome, so aim to include moderate exercise in your daily routine. Managing stress is equally important, as chronic stress can disrupt the balance of your gut flora. Practices such as meditation, deep breathing, and yoga can be beneficial in reducing stress levels and supporting gut health. It's also important to avoid unnecessary use of antibiotics, as they can wipe out both good and bad bacteria, leading to an imbalanced gut. For those over 40, these changes can make a significant difference in your overall health and longevity. By taking proactive steps to improve your gut health, you can enhance your digestion, boost your immune system, maintain a healthy weight, and even improve your mental well-being. Remember, a healthy gut is the foundation of a healthy life. Are you over 40 and living your best life? Share your inspiring story with the world and spread positivity in the comment below.